So these are the ones that I got from Daiso. Alright, we'll see how this goes. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. So I'm gonna first start with, what's this? Fixer. Alright, I'm gonna try this. This is the Water Prep Base by Vove, or VOV, Vove. This is basically a base, and this is only 3,001, which is like $2.50 to $3. And I don't usually prep my face. Ooh. So that's what the texture looks like. I don't know, are you supposed to be doing this on your entire face? I don't know, I'll just try. And to be honest guys, I'm kind of scared whenever I use new products on my face because my face is kind of sensitive. And if my face doesn't like a specific ingredient, I get pimples. So I'm kind of scared. Hopefully it'll be okay. Now I'm done with that. I'm gonna go in with, so I have 3 different sponges or puffs. This little guy is 1,000. This is also 1,000. And this is also 1,000. Try this one today. So I have this, which is a BB cream. I think it's from, it is from It's Skin. So It's Skin is a brand in Korea. This is 5,001 by the way. You know how there are a lot of makeup and skincare brands that release their own products, especially for Daiso. And this foundation is from Jungsaemmool. It's their Daiso brand. This is 5,000. And I got Satin Fit 23 Medium. You know how BB cream is like, right? They're known to be like very gray, thick, and heavy. So BB creams have like their own little texture, and I don't really like using BB creams, but I'm gonna try mix these two today. And this is foundation, and this is supposed to be a spatula. Foundation and BB cream, I'm gonna mix it. Either you can go in with a brush, or they have this spatula thing, which is 2,000 Korean won. So I'm gonna do one side with the spatula and one side with the brush. So let's see. All right, here we go. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go in. Oh wait, I also have to do something else. Where is it? Oh, here. So this is the makeup fixer by the same brand, Jungsaemmool. This is also 5,001. You can use this at the end, or you can kind of spray this. Okay. Okay. And in Korea, it's been very, very hot. I think like mid-May, we hit 30 degrees Celsius, and I don't know how that is possible. Okay, so as you can see, the coverage is it's not that good. Let me do one more layer. Okay, like that. Okay, and the thing about like Daiso, when I first came to Korea in 2011, Daiso was, I don't think it was that big. There was like one store per like couple of subway stations from what I remember. And it's kind of interesting to see how in just 15 years, things can change so dramatically. Now I'm gonna go in with and try using it with this brush. Okay, so using a brush, it goes on more thick. Okay, the reason why I don't like using this small puff is because it takes forever. So the makeup that I'm trying to do today, so that was back in 2018, and right now it's 2026, so that's what, 8 years ago? So how old was I? 25. And right now, I'm 33, trying to look like a 25-year-old. All right, so this is what you get with the BB cream and the foundation mixed together. If you guys have seen my other videos for the cushion foundation, I feel like those kind of cover better. What's this supposed to do is supposed to like glide on, but I don't know if you can see it properly. Like it's really hard to glide it on. And I've seen reviews where they say the spatula is not that good, and kind of see why. I don't know if it's the fixer or if it's the BB cream or the foundation, but there's like a, one of them has like this floral scent. I have a white concealer, but I don't have, what should I do? Oh, by the way guys, I'm sorry, I have a bit of a nasally nose. I got a bit of a cold, so please excuse me. I'm gonna go in with this. Oh, this is also 3001. So I guess people use this as not only a concealer, but as like a highlighter. All right, so it's basically white concealer on top like that. Okay, this is basically just white. What? What is this? This is not looking good, guys. Did that do anything? I don't know. All right, as for contour, so I've been using this. This is also from Daiso. I forget which brand this is. Tag, I think it's Too Cool for School's brand. I have this brush that I've been using from Daiso as well. It's also from the same brand. If you guys have seen my previous video, I talk about like cool shade and like warm shade. So I'm more on the cool tone side. So this is the cool tone version. So what I do for my nose, I go in with this and one dab of this. All right. And for the jaw, I'm gonna use this brush. This is a 3001, by the way. Okay, going with that. For the fun stuff, I don't usually do color. Let's try this one. So this is Cosiero Icon Color Wand 103 Cherry Red. So it says use it on the cheek, on the tip of your nose. What are you supposed to do? Oh, ooh. Okay, okay, and then one, and then one, and then one. Okay, I'm gonna use my finger. Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna. Ooh! Hurry, 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 hurry. You don't want it to dry like that. I'm gonna use the one that I use for the white concealer. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I think this is going. I think this. Okay, guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. So just bear with me. I look drunk. What is this? I should not be using this. Okay, I'll use this one. What is this? I've never used this type of what do you call this? A blush? I don't know. You know what? Let's just. I'm just gonna go crazy. Now I have this Dinto Prelude Dinto Nostalgia Eye Palette 5000. There were a couple of shades, and this one said it's the best, so that's the color. And for the eyes, I got this brush, which is $1 or one cream one. And I know that you're supposed to go in with a lighter shade. You know what? I'm just gonna use the brush that I used for my nose. I'm going with this one, and then I'm gonna use the smaller one. I'm gonna go in with the brown. To be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing, but let's see. Should I do a bit more or should I not? I got no idea. Let's go in with a bit more of the BB cream right there. I'm just gonna, okay, so this is kind of gray. So since it's like a 7 peptide collagen BB cream, it's not like that typical thick BB cream. All right, I'm gonna go do my hair and I'll be RB.